Verse 33. Whoever receives his testimony has set his seal of approval to this. God is true.
Whoever receives his testimony.
owamkela ufakazi bakhe
Wamukela in iqiniso. Because he's not a man from the earth. He's a man
ngoba
from
akusuye umuntu
above.
womhlaba kodwa umuntu
So
ovela
ubufakazi bakhe buyini? Buyiqiniso. God?
Whoever receives his testimony has set his seal of approval to this. God is true.
God is true.
uNkulunkulu
Uyabona manje?
uqiniso.
Now you can see my car but not saying God is true.
ungabona imoto yami kodwa ungasho ukuthi
You can say
uNkulunkulu
it's a
uyiqiniso.
blessing without seeing the truth.
ungathi isibusiso ngaphandle kokubona eqiniso
Ungabona isibusiso ungabona in iqiniso. That's how many people see. They see blessings without seeing the truth.
abantu babona
You
isibusiso
shall know the
ngaphandle
truth and the
kweqiniso.
truth will
uzalazi
set you free.
iqiniso
So
neqiniso
it means if I
lizakukhulula.
say you are blessed,
uma ngithi ubusisekile
I must see the truth.
kumele ngibone iqiniso
I must see what? The truth.
kumele ngibone
So
iqiniso
the truth will complete your blessing.
iqiniso lizophelelisa
So if
isibusiso
it's a
sakho
blessing without the truth,
uma unesibusiso
the
ngaphandle
earth is still
kweqiniso
involved.
umhlaba usisekhona
It's a testimony from below.
kusase ufakazi bomhlaba
Because it's a blessing without the truth.
ngoba isibusiso ngaphandle kweqiniso
It can later turn
kungakutshintsha
kube manga. It can later turn to become what? A manga.
kungashintsha kube manga
Just like John, ufakazile ngoJesu, but later into ayifakazile yaba manga. Ngoba uthi abantu no check ukuthi uyena. Sekabashumayezile abafundi bakhe. Later uthi hambani ehlola man. Ngabe uye vele uJesu loyo, uyu Messiah na. And Jesus said hambani notshela uJohn. Ukuthi abangaboni bayabona. Abangahambi bayahamba. Abangezwa bayezwa. Wathi hambani nomtshela ngalezi mangaliso. To confirm what? The testimony from above.
ukuveza ufakazi ovele
A man
phezulu.
born from above.
umuntu ozalwe ngokuvela phezulu
Not born of a woman.
hayi ozalwe ngowesifazane
Go on there. Go on.
God is true. And he knows that God cannot lie.
Aha. God is true and God cannot lie.
uNkulunkulu uyiqiniso kanti futhi uNkulunkulu akacamba manje
Imagine you see a blessing.
ubona isibusiso
Or now we preach about into zasemhlabeni, amakarna, but you can still trace a lie.
kodwa usabona manga
Because the Holy Spirit ayifakazi.
ngoba umoya
If the Holy Spirit does not testify,
uma umoya engcwele ungafakazi
it's a lie.
amanga
The Spirit of God testifies based on the truth.
umoya kaNkulunkulu ufakaza ngaloko okuyiqiniso
If anything is not the truth, the Spirit of God does not testify.
uma kungalona iqiniso umoya engcwele awukwazi
That's why if you preach a sermon
ingakho uma ushumayela
and the Holy Spirit does not testify,
nomoya engcwele ungafakazi
it's a lie.
amanga
That's why the trap now, many churches are trapped in. They preach, but the Holy Spirit is quiet.
bayashumayela kodwa umoya engcwele uthulile
Awufakazeli in amanga. Now it's painful. People are becoming sober. Oh man. Check. You can check from the ministry of Jesus, the ministry of the apostles. There's nowhere where they preached and the Holy Spirit was not moving.
akukho la bashumayela khona umoya engcwele wanganyaka
Everywhere they preached, the
Lapho
Holy Spirit was
bashumayela
confirming.
umoya engcwele ubuvuma
Confirming what? Their message
uvuma umlayezo wabo
to be truth.
iqiniso
What it is? The truth.
ukuthi kuyiqiniso
Repeat and go on.
Whoever receives his testimony has set his seal of approval to this.
And set his seal of approval to this.
God is true.
God is truth.
And he knows that God cannot lie.
And he knows that God cannot lie.
Kanti futhi
Imagine
yazi uNkulunkulu
after
angacama
receiving
amanga.
a preaching, you are guaranteed that God will never lie. You go out knowing God is truth, God will never lie.
uyahamba wazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngoyiqiniso futhi akacamba amanga
God?
Verse 34. For he whom God has sent speaks the words of God,
For he whom God has
lo
sent,
uNkulunkulu amthumile
proclaiming the Father's own message.
proclaiming the Father's own message,
ukhuluma umlayezo kaBaba
not earthly message.
akusu umlayezo womhlaba
Let's go.
For God gives the gift of the Holy Spirit without measure,
Uh-huh.
generously and boundlessly.
Thank you. Generously and boundlessly. Generously and what? Boundlessly.
kungenamkhawulo.
Shuthi umoya ingcwele umuva indlela ethusayo ngawubuza ngoSathane nawo. Because kukhulunywa ini izwi umoya ingcwele wenzani uyajabula. Abanye bangadakwa abanye bangawa rough because the Holy Spirit is the one is flowing,
Umoya oyingcwele uyachichima.
attesting to the message of the Father.
Uvuma kumlayezo kaBaba.
Ukuthi awubuye emhlabeni lo mlayezo ubuya from above. Umoya ingcwele awufakazeli into zala. If I can say receive your karma, receive your message,
Uma
don't speak
ngithengele
quiet.
umoya oyingcwele uzothula.
But the gift can be at work.
Kodwa isiphiwo singasebenza.
While the Holy Spirit is not at work.
Lapho umoya oyingcwele awusebenzi.
The gift of prophecy,
Isiphiwo
the
sokuprofeta.
gift of deliverance,
Isiphiwo sok
it can be at work
kungabakho kungasebenza
where there's no truth.
lapho kungenalo iqiniso.
It can be at work where there's no truth.
Ungasebenza lapho kungekho khona iqiniso.
But the Holy Spirit only works where there is the truth.
Kodwa umoya oyingcwele usebenza lapho kuneqiniso.